Hi guys, so I really just wanted to try out some new products and I thought I would try them out with you. There's a couple in here that aren't new, but I'm basically using a full face of like newer products. Some of them I have already tried, but they're still new. So first off, I'm gonna put some clips in my hair, which I'm obsessed with these. These ones are rose gold and I got them from Target and they're so cute. First, I'm starting off with this primer from Tarte and I have not used this yet, so I'm excited to see how it is. I got this in like the Sephora Play box. It smells like sunscreen. I've been honestly kind of nervous to try this primer because I'm really picky with my primers, but so far I like it. It's not like super sticky, it feels kind of milky and I like that. That's like my favorite type of primer. So I'm thinking I'm gonna like this one. Next, I don't really have a new brow product to show you guys, so I'm just sticking with my everyday brow pencil, and it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay brow pencil, and this one is in medium brown. It's my favorite brow pencil. It's waterproof, it lasts so long, like you could sleep in this and it would still be on the next day. It's amazing, so I highly recommend it. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. It's one of my faves. It keeps my eyebrows in lock all day. I only have like 2 or 3 favorite gels. So if you guys want a favorites video, I'll give it to you, but my last one I didn't end up uploading it. It was just like too much to edit, so I just quit on it, and I was still going to school, so there was like a lot going on. But if you guys actually want to see one for real, I will give it to you. I'm going in with my Tarte FOUNCEALER, which I have a sample of this because I got it in my Sephora subscription box, and I honestly wasn't thinking about trying it until it came in, and I was like, well, I might as well. So we're gonna see how I think about this. So now I'm going in with this palette that I have not used before, so I'm excited to try out. What shade should we start out with? Let's do this one right here. Okay, pigment, come through. So next I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. And then I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. Okay, so now the eyes are done, and I actually, at first I was like, oh no, this is gonna be horrible, and then I kept going with it, and I was like, okay, I see where this has gone, and now I'm a fan. I think I did good. Now we're gonna hop into liner. I'm gonna go with FLYLINER because I actually really like this liner, I just haven't used it much. So now we're gonna finish up the foundation. The reason I only do like the top half first is because my like eyes, I always end up messing up something and I have to clean it up, and it's a lot easier to clean up if my full face doesn't have foundation on it. Plus I like to rest my hand while I'm like doing liner. Like whenever I'm doing a liner, I like put my hand right here, and if I do that with foundation, sometimes it leaves a mark, so it's just easier that way. My camera died, so I'm filming the rest on my phone, and I'm now noticing that this foundation doesn't fully match me. It's fine, it's fine. I mean, it looked like it did. It's just a little too orange, but it's fine. I actually like the feeling of this foundation though. I'm kind of surprised by that. Since this foundation's just a little bit too dark, I'm gonna put some concealer on and try to lighten it up just a little bit. But I feel like I need something to set my face with. That's one thing I don't like. I like foundations that you don't have to set. Found my powder. This is the powder I use. It's just the Tarte Smooth Operator powder. Do you see this side? Like how it looks compared to this side? And even like my forehead, like this side is just so smooth now, or this side is just so like oily looking. It's crazy. This stuff is amazing. I just don't like using powders in general though, just, I don't know, it just feels like one more product you have to use. This is honestly one of the first powders I've used that hasn't broke me out too. Okay, so now my face is set. I was gonna say that this foundation might just be my new favorite, but it's not because I have to set it. I hate that that's like my determining factor where it's like, oh, if I have to set it, like, no, I don't like it. It's true, like I just hate having that extra step in my routine. I like to just be able to slap on some foundation, it's done. Like, don't need any concealer. I don't know, I like using concealer with certain foundations, but my Smashbox foundation is my favorite because I don't need any concealer with it. I don't have to set it. It's perfect. It's not like my favorite, but I'll use it, you know? While my face is still like kind of setting in, I don't like to apply product like right after I just put on foundation. So I'm gonna go into lashes, and I'm gonna be using this, it's a LANCOME booster, so it's basically like a primer for your lashes, and this stuff, I swear to you, makes my lashes so long and I love it. But of course I'm using falsies, so I don't really think it matters that much, but we're gonna use it anyways. I'm not gonna use as much as I normally would just since I am using falsies, but I still want to use it just to see what it kind of looks like with, because I've never actually tried using it when I'm also using false lashes. So this one's so good, love it. You guys should definitely check it out if you're looking for a good primer. It definitely works. I'm gonna be using this mascara, which I have been using a lot lately, and I'm obsessed with it. Like on its own, it's amazing. It's definitely a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is my favorite mascara, might I add. And this one is just as amazing, and this one's actually cheaper. Okay, look at that. That compared to this, like I have no lashes on the side, which I don't have long lashes to begin with, so the fact that this can actually give me lashes is insane. I really love this mascara. I use it all the time whenever I'm not wearing makeup, like if I'm just wearing mascara and brows, I use this stuff like crazy. Okay, I don't really have a new blush. Like I use the same blushes all the time. So I'm just gonna use the FIESTY blush by Tarte, and we're just gonna pop her on. My mom taught me how to when I was younger, because she had some like Mary Kay blushes in the bathroom, and me and my friend like put them on and we looked like clowns. And so she showed me how to apply blush later on. She told me you kind of tap and like go up, so that's how I've done it. I am going in with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer, which I do damage to. This one has been used and abused. I have bought so many of them. Like this is my third one, I think. The reason I'm using this bronzer is because I don't really have a new one to show you guys. All of the ones that I've used recently like aren't really new. The only new one I have is Kylie, which I guess I could have used, but I didn't really think about it until now, so we're just gonna stick with this one now. This bronzer is like perfect for that just like glow, you know? You want a glow girl? Get this bronzer. I swear it's heaven sent. I've been using the same bronzer honestly since I started makeup, so like 2014. I went through a bunch of samples before I actually bought it because it's like $45 and I was like, oh, it's a little too expensive. I just kind of buy them when they're on sale, you know? Another product that I have already used, but I haven't used this one as much as my other highlighter that I have from Mila. I have a lot of highlighters from her, but there's one that's my favorite, and that's Starlight. And this one has just recently become one of my new favorites. This one's in the shade Tropical. It's just like a pinky highlight, and I love it. Look at her glow. Like, you can't tell me that's not amazing, because it's amazing, I know. Now, you know, we have to do the inner corner highlight, so of course we're gonna be doing it with her. We have 2 more steps, lashes and lipstick. These are the BHCOSMETICS lashes, and these are in shade Summer Love. I love these lashes. And of course I have to use my favorite lash glue by Kiss. This is my all-time favorite lash glue. I swear by it. I can't use anything else. If you have contacts, this will be your best eyelash glue. Real quick, while we're waiting, we're gonna do lipstick. And I also have a lip liner. Where'd it go? Found it. So this one is in Boldly Bare, and it's by MAC. So there's my lined lips. They look a little crazy. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, we can finish the lips. So I'm super excited to try this lipstick. I love Aladdin, and I got one of their lipsticks from the Aladdin collection. This one's in shade Princess Incognito. And this is what the shade looks like. I'm so excited. Let's just apply her on. Oh wow. This one works perfectly with that lip pencil that I got. So I kind of look like a Barbie doll, but I kind of love it. So here is the finished look. I'm obsessed. I'm really loving it, actually. I wasn't expecting to love this look as much as I do, and I'm just really proud right now. So it's a good day. It's good. If you like this, let me know. I will do more. If you guys want it more high quality and on my camera, just let me know. So it's been several hours, which you can probably tell by my inner corner right there that there's a little black smudge. But other than that, everything's held together so good. Like, my face makeup looks amazing. I've never seen it look this good before. So I'm honestly really loving this, and I know I said I hate like using powder, but I'm kind of rethinking that because of this look. It's looking so good, and when I was at work, I got so many compliments on my makeup and my eyes, like how good they looked and everything. So I think I did a good job. Like, I was not expecting it to turn out this good. So moral of the story is I need to start trying out more makeup products that I haven't used before. This turned out a big thumbs up. So guys, you should definitely give this video a thumbs up because I did really good, I think. And if you guys think I did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not following my social medias, you guys should definitely go check them out. Link in bio. Go follow right now. I'm watching. I'm really impressed with how this makeup like held up throughout the day. I didn't even use setting spray, which I'm really surprised about now because usually I have to use setting spray for it to really like stay on for a long period of time. So I'm really proud of this. So yeah, let me know what products I should try out next below. I have a lot of products that I haven't tried. I'm definitely gonna do another one of these videos. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.